Nothing cannot afford another miss. And the Nothing Phone 4A Pro is shaping up to be the company's quiet chance at redemption. After the heavy criticism around the so-called flagship Nothing Phone 3, expectations are no longer forgiving. Now, early leaks and certification details around the phone 4A Pro suggest Nothing is trying to refine that formula rather than reinvent it. According to certification listings, the Nothing Phone 4A Pro is confirmed to pack a 5080 mAh battery, which the company will most likely market as 5100 mAh. Yes, it is technically an upgrade over the 5000 mAh cell used in the phone 3A Pro, but it's a cautious one. In a market where Chinese brands are already pushing 8,000 to even 10,000 mAh batteries, this feels more like maintenance than evolution. A recent tweet by Anvin also confirms 50-watt fast charging and an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance. Nothing seems committed to gradual upgrades, but this conservative approach feels increasingly risky in the mid-range segment. Previous reports fill in the rest of the hardware picture. The phone 4A Pro is expected to run on a Snapdragon 7 series chipset, now widely believed to be the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4, delivering a clear performance uplift over the 3A Pro. Memory and storage configurations are shaping up well, with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage tipped as standard. More importantly, multiple leaks suggest a long-awaited move to UFS 3.1 storage, replacing the slower UFS 2.2 used in earlier A-series models. This single upgrade could have the biggest real-world impact, improving boot times, app launches, file handling, and overall system smoothness. eSIM support is also expected, aligning with Nothing more closely with premium smartphone trends. Camera-wise, Nothing is likely to stay familiar. The sensors are expected to be similar to those on the phone 3A Pro, a setup that already performed well enough in its class. Instead of changing hardware, the focus appears to be on improved processing, refined color science, and additional software features. Given how aggressively Nothing marketed camera comparisons with the iPhone during the Nothing Phone 3 Pro launch, a similar strategy should be expected again, though actual gains will come down to optimization rather than marketing slides. Design changes are also coming. According to Yogesh Brar, the Nothing Phone 4A and 4A Pro are set to launch globally by early March, with a tentative launch date of March 5th. Alongside the internal upgrades, a refreshed design is expected, paired with new color options, including black, white, pink, and blue. While the glyph identity will likely remain, Nothing clearly wants the phone to look new enough to justify the next generation label. The same report also hints at a higher price, which may become the Phone 4A Pro's biggest challenge, because at this point, standing out isn't enough anymore. Nothing now has to prove it can actually deliver real value,